complete a transaction less than $10 and get $5 bonus. And right here you have fair launch to receive a token at least less than $30 to $80, and after that you have an option to receive free airdrop with Bitget Wallet token. So they are going to be launching their token at second quarter, and this second quarter you'll be able to get this token. You redeem, you accumulate points right here, and once you accumulate points at this program before they launch their token, so you'll be able to redeem these points to token when they launch their token. And you have to do some activities on interact with this wallet, and you use the product on this wallet. Just interact with this. The season right here, you have estimated 3 minutes to do this and function right here. Authorize your Twitter right here and do that. Number 2, you need to just retweet some stuff on your Twitter account. Make sure you log in your Twitter account. Once you do all this process, and you have to have volume more than $100, you can just interact with Binance change, because there is this lower gas fee on that. You can just breach or transfer like $150 to that, and maybe make 2 swap to USDT on Binance chain, and make another swap to stablecoin back. So you'll be able to pay for gas fee with fraction of money, maybe less than $2. You'll be able to potentially pass this process right here and interact with this chain and accumulate more points. The more you use this app, the more you get more points, and right here each user is expected to earn a profit of $30 to $80 in this event. And you have to complete a transaction of $10 or invite more friends. Make sure, I'm going to leave my referral code in the video description, so you'll be able to use this to download this app and get bonus also. And right here, just press claim and sign this and confirm and skip if you don't have invitation code, and press I confirm that I'm not a US user, and press claim. And right here I've claimed this 50 point of this program right here at the launch of their token. And right here I should trade $100, more than $100 on this platform. Then I will get 50 point, additional 50 points. That's going to be like 100 points. And when this token started trading, or they launch their token at the second quarter, I'll be able to claim or redeem these points to their token. And right here, this is what you just need to be doing in general on this platform. Make a swap right here, you earn $5. You invite your friends, you earn $5 also. And they have this fair launch. They are just doing this frequently, so make sure you keep on using this app. So you can use this app for your day-to-day transaction. Make sure you don't keep a lot of money on this app. Just interact with this app, and this is just the function of this app. You just need to be doing this small tasks and accumulate some points right here. And when they launch their token, you'll be able to redeem this point for token.